Welcome to Webshala. In this tutorial, we shall learn how to upload and share files using the free Google Drive service. Let's say we have a folder full of files that we wish to share with someone. As an example, we'll use this folder which contains some pictures and videos on our PC. Google Drive is basically a place to store our files in the cloud, a virtual drive of sorts that's actually available to everyone who has a Gmail account. One of the biggest advantages of this service is that it is accessible from anywhere using just a web browser. So let's start off by logging into our Gmail account. Google actually offers many services to all their Gmail users, the menu of which is made available through this grid-like icon on the top right. You should see the Google Drive in this drop-down menu. Clicking on it will automatically log you into your Google Drive. Now we could upload directly to this location, but to keep things sorted and organized, let's create a folder for our uploads. We do that by clicking on New and selecting Folder. Let's call this My Photos. Hit Create, and there's our folder. We can enter it by just double-clicking on it. There are two ways to upload content into this folder. The first and seemingly easier way is to just drag and drop our folder or files into this gray area within the window. But that would not work if you're using an incompatible or an older version of a browser. So let's explore a method that definitely will work in every browser. Let's click on that New button again. From here, we can choose whether we wish to select files or a folder to upload. Since we are looking to upload an entire folder, let's go with the latter. From the window that pops up, navigate to and select the folder that you wish to upload. And say Upload. Your browser may ask you to confirm that you trust the service enough to upload your files. Once you confirm, your upload begins. Depending on the size of your folder and your internet speed, your upload time will vary. Once done, you will see a confirmation at the bottom right of the window. With the upload complete, let's see how we can share this folder with someone. There are two ways to do that. First, we can have Google email the people directly on our behalf with a link to the content we are sharing. We achieve this through this Share with Others icon. If we rely on this method, we would need to log back into our Google Drive and enter the email ID of every new person we wish to share our content with. Instead, we can use the second method, the Get Shareable Link option. In this method, Google Drive just generates a link to the content, which we can then share any way we wish, through email, through instant messaging, or through social networks. So if we wish to share this content with more people, we don't need to log back in. We could just forward the link to the other recipients and they'll have access as well. Clicking on the chain link icon will turn on link sharing and a link to the content gets generated. If you're using Google's Chrome browser, this link automatically gets copied for you. To share this via email, let's go back to our Gmail, compose an email, paste it in there, and hit send. And there it goes. If we wish to share just one of the photos instead of the entire folder, the process is pretty much the same. All we need to do is select it, click on the chain link icon again, and a link to that file gets generated. Again, with the link copied, come back into our Gmail, compose an email, paste it there, and off it goes. That's how easy it is to share files and folders using Google Drive. If you wish to revoke access to the files, all we need to do is select the shared file and turn off link sharing through the chain link icon. The same can be done for the shared folders as well. Select it, go to link sharing, and turn it off. Once revoked, even those who have the link will no longer be able to access these files because Google basically disables the link for us. And that's how we can upload and share content using Google Drive.